Hello everyone, that Tech Kid here, and today I bring you a very special video once again. This one may seem a little different. The quality may seem better. That is because this video is being filmed on the OnePlus 8T. This is going to be the new camera for the channel, and right now this video is my 24-hour first impressions of this phone. Man, 120 Hz is nice. This phone has 120 Hz. It's a 6.55-inch 1080p AMOLED display, and the phone is just, it's amazing. The cameras are pretty good. It's overall just a really great phone. The aquamarine green in particular, I love the color. I like the green, and this is more of a tealish in my opinion, but it's definitely a really nice looking color. The camera bump is not my favorite, but it works. The warp charge 65 is ridiculous. I was able to go from 30 to 80% in 30 minutes. That's just a ridiculous. I can't even fathom it. It's just, that's a lot of juice in just a short period of time. I've used this phone on and off all day, and as of right now, I'm at 50-something%, and it is currently 5:49 p.m. EST. So that says something. That battery, I'll let you know how the battery keeps up in the full review. That is pretty impressive battery. The Dolby Atmos is really cool. Having the stereo speakers, I'm coming from the LG G7, so the stereo speakers is really nice. They sound really nice, and it's a really good phone. I'm really enjoying it. OnePlus did a really darn good job on this phone. So the design of the phone again is aquamarine green. It's got nice aluminum rails, and it's a really good phone. I'm just gonna keep it at that. I mean, if you're questioning it, go for it. I got mine a little cheaper because I got mine on a Black Friday deal, but mine also came with OnePlus Buds as well. Not the Buds Z, but the fake AirPods Buds. So I got these as well. First impressions of these, I haven't used them much, but I tend to use them more. I like the case. The snap is, well, snappy, and they sound all right. They're definitely interesting. I'm trying to configure them in the app, but I can't get the app right now, so I'm still trying to work on that. But that's the Buds. This is a short video, just kind of explain like how I feel about the phone. I like the phone. It's great. Full review will be in roughly a month from now, because I don't know what the best time for a review is. So I'm just gonna do a month. That's a lot of time with the phone. Get to know the quirks and all that. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Peace.
One shot, one chance, one move, one dance, one shot. Brace yourself for the Vegas. One shot.
This is a treat for you guys that stick around to the end of the video. So, this is the OnePlus 8T that I was just talking about. In its beautiful glory. Currently, I'm at 47%, and I have had a total of 3 hours and 33 minutes of screen on time right now. So, that is impressive. This is my LG G7. Wrapped in its beautiful matte black, because matte black everything. This phone has been sitting in my desk all day because my SIM card is slow. This phone also, oddly enough, has 47% on it. But as you see from the screenshot, I only have an hour and 26 minutes on screen on time. So right there is a big difference. So, for the people that stick around the end of the video, you guys will be watching me switch my SIM card. because the OnePlus 8T is my new daily driver. At least I can afford new phones. So, speaking of, if you guys want to help out the channel and support it, there's a link down below in the description at Buy Me a Coffee. So, you can go ahead and support the channel. Every dollar donated will go back into the channel. And if you guys don't believe me, I will do a roundup. So, test, donate, and I'll give you a roundup on the channel and the quality will improve. Here's my SIM card. Well, actually, okay. My SIM card. It's the OnePlus SIM.
While you were waiting for me to switch my SIM card, I just thought I'd give you an update. I was able to get my phone down to 19% before I go to bed, and you can see from the screenshot it was for 5 hours exactly, through nothing. Now obviously the battery is relatively short, so that's why third day, running it, 5 hours is pretty long time. It's pretty crazy. Back to the intense situation.
SIM is in the phone. There you go. Phone is officially a daily driver. So, thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you want to donate, help support the channel, link is down in the description. Full review will be coming next month. And also I have a Discord server, so if you want to chat about updates on the phone, join the Discord server. I'll be there. I also have Twitter, so, you know. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoy it.